pinaander, maagsog, Dato Amumahan Pinaandil Amay, and Dato Dikno Mansumagan Kilikili to receive from Her Excellency President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo the Certificate of Ancestral Domain Title of the Higaonon Indigenous Peoples from Minaluang, Claveria, Misamis Oriental, benefiting 2,867 people covering an area of 18,028 hectares, which has been registered in the Register of Deeds last September 2009. Congratulations!